Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your highlight color on Tap Color application. So let's get started. Tap open the Tap Color Pro application and make sure to log into your account. Whenever you are coloring a picture, simply select the number from the palette at the bottom and it'll show you the highlighted parts you're supposed to color corresponding the number that you've just selected. Once you press the number, you will then be able to fill in the colors. By default, your highlighted part should look like this. If you want to change the highlight color, simply go ahead and get to the main home page of your application and then tap on the gear button at the top right corner from the home screen. From the settings menu, tap on Highlight Areas. Select the color you'd like to use for the highlight areas, and once you make a selection, you can now get back and start painting. Now as you select the number palette, you will then be able to see that the highlighted part has a different color now. So that's how you can easily change your highlight color on Tap Color application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.